Just let me know if we on there. It's back on. Okay, I'm just gonna have to get a new thing quickly.
I see it starting soon.
I think there we go. We're back on, right?
On, yeah.
Okay, perfect. I don't know why I did that. You're back. Let's refresh this chat. YouTube, don't know what happened there, guys. We just crashed. Something just went on. Maybe connection, I'm not too sure. Okay, resistance has now formed at this area. There's nothing I can do yet, boys. I just have to ride this straight out. There's nothing I can do yet. How do I notify people that? I'm sure if you'll follow, you'll get the notification. Did the Zoom disconnect at any point? I don't think the Zoom disconnected. So I don't know if it was like a YouTube thing or what, because I didn't pick up that the Zoom disconnected. It was just the YouTube. Zoom was good to YouTube. Yeah, I really, I don't know. Don't know what happened on YouTube, guys. For sure, perfect. Yeah, YouTube, I don't know what happened. It just crashed. I don't know, it just broke. Okay, but still in this position. Still in the position. I will only start to manage once it breaks where it says close off. But until then, boys, I'm still fine with the trade. This is the break. This is the retest. It is taking longer than anticipated. I just gotta let it ride. Whatever it does, it does. Mindset Club, what's up, brother? Hope you're doing good. Hope you are doing good. We just don't want it to close back below the range. Because at that point, if it's gonna come break that previous 4-hourly low, I wouldn't want to be in the trade, because that just means I'm back in that consolidation again, which I don't want, right? So then I will get out. Just held the trade for 2 hours just to hit break even. Was in drawdown the whole time in gold. Were you in gold? What did you take? Gold buys, gold sells? What did you do there? Seems like gold's coming back to that range now also. You're in gold longs? Where was your entry? $21.69.27. I don't know what strategies you use, but you're literally buying at a resistance. That's the first I can give you advice on, is you're buying at the resistance point. So that would be like, when you journal that, that's definitely something to note, that you're buying at the resistance point. You should have waited for the current 4-hour high to flip and price to start trading above it and then get involved. That would be my my notes that I would put in my journal if I was you. So like here, for example, I didn't buy there because it's at the resistance. I rather bought above, because now the anticipation is that it'll retest and drive. You entered at 10:15, bro. Gee whiz. Yo, so you've been in you've been in gold. 10:15. What is it? 21.69. 10:15. Oh my word. You did it here? So you went in all of that and then? Wow. That's crazy. You sat in some drawdown, my brother. But also then again, you buying also at a liquidity zone. So I actually see, with gold rejects like this, I actually see a type 3 back down. I see sells on gold. I don't see longs. You put yourself through pain? Oh my man. Dazzy looking for type 3 on gold. I have a very similar idea. Gold type 3s. And entry's gonna come below here. How big will that stop be? Stop's gonna be a bit tough, but looking for shorts there, I would recommend that. Yeah, it would be fine. I just can't take anything else, guys. I am in GJ at the moment. I am in GJ longs. She is taking her own sweet time, but yeah, this is trading. We can predict price, but not time, right? Bit of a lengthy trade. For sure. Just make sure that you journal everything. As long as you're journaling everything, brother, that's very important. And also grade your trades. Perfect, 100%. Then it's fine. Like, guys, it's no big deal to lose. It's part of your career. Alexandros, good to hear from you again, brother. I hope you're doing good. I'm great, man. After long at the moment. Yeah, for sure. A break above the current resistance, for sure. For sure. So at the moment, guys, we formed resistance here. So yeah, I would say if anybody is looking to jump on and isn't on already, Wait for price to break above these highs now. For sure. I can agree on that one. Your laptops keep freezing. I think it's time for upgrade. It's going for 1 o'clock, guys. Whether I'm in the trade or not, I'm probably gonna call a session at 1. Is YouTube and Zoom fine, guys? Fix members is Zoom fine, and YouTube guys is what you call it? YouTube okay? Nah, just don't have fear for it. Like, that's why I limit my pairs. I only have 2 pairs, GJ and Gold, and they're both my first loves. I love them. You just have to backtest your strategy on it, get comfortable with it, build experience in it. Yeah. When I started trading, GJ also wasn't my most favorite pair, but now it's my favorite. Well, it's a tough one. I feel like Gold and GJ is on the same level. Like, I just love them both. YouTube is fine. Okay, perfect. Yeah, like I said earlier, I don't know why we disconnected. Could have just been a dip in the Wi-Fi. My Wi-Fi can't really be a dip in my Wi-Fi connection. I think maybe just something with Zoom, or maybe somewhere in the ISP things just went funky. But I do have a wired connection, so there definitely is a solid NPC. Come on, GJ, can we reject? Yeah, for me personally, like if my edge arises and my setup arises and everything is 100%, I'll take the trade. If it's still within my risk. Because sometimes if you wait for, like if you continuously put, how can I say, like if you continuously say, this isn't a secure setup in the long run. Obviously you can have like a no loss week and a no loss month, that's fine, but in the long run, year after year, you're gonna lose. Somewhere along the line, you're gonna take a loss. But as long as the overall is higher than your losses, perfect. Gold, USD, and US30 is my thing. Okay, perfect, brother. Perfect. Stream keeps reloading, or is it just me? Brother, I don't know, because I'm hosting, so I won't be able to see. Let me just hear from the other guys. MFX chat, how's that YouTube stream going? This is what I say, guys. If you're not following my Instagram page, make sure you follow the business Instagram page, because if anything happens, I can update you guys there. I won't be able to do so on YouTube. So make sure you follow the Millennial FX _ official page. Streams good, guys. It might just be some sort of connection. I can't say. But if anything goes wrong, see, with some people's good, some people's bad. Okay, so I really don't know, boys. But I am live. If for some reason the stream just dies or whatever, and I can't get back on, you have the stop loss, you have where we're closing off, and you have our TP errors. Okay? Then that's for YouTube. When we fix members, I'll keep you guys up to date, because you guys are within the MFX group, so it's easy for me. But regarding YouTube, the only way I'll be able to update the people on YouTube is through my IG, so just make sure you're following the Millennial FX _ official Instagram page. But if streams do end, I will just continually restart it, I guess. I don't know if it's the connection. I never got like a notification to say connection is bad or they're doing maintenance or anything like that. I'm with Vox. I'm with Vox. No, so I'm not too sure, brother. Yo, D, I think just restart everything. But I like your stream now the couple of days. I like that you trade GJ because we have similar entries and helps me find different points of view for this pair. For sure, my brother. Keep pulling up. We are Monday to Thursday, 9:30 every morning. Today's a bit of a longer stream because obviously we are stuck in the trade. But obviously I'm not going to sit here the whole day, boys. So I think I'll do a cut off at like 1, 1:15 latest if we still haven't hit stop loss or TP. So this is obviously a new stream that I had to create. So if you guys can just go and like the stream, that would be awesome. Okay, 15 didn't. The thing about this 15 didn't make its bottom wick. Okay, it did. Now engulfing the previous. I think this is it, boys. This is where we should start to drive. Now we've engulfed the previous. If we can break this resistance, price should start to continue to drive to 191088. Because we're engulfing now, right? Yeah, for me personally, I've got hours that I trade. I do 9:30 till 12. Today is just a bit longer because obviously it's something I can do with a trade taking longer. It's nothing I can do about that. But my usual hours is 9:30 till 12. Then from next week with the daylight savings time change, it's going to be 8:30 till 11, 11:30. Okay, so pretty much nearing that break-even point again, guys. Yeah, like I said, I just gotta hold, man. I've understood that we're breaking. I mentioned all of this on the stream. At this point, if we can break 191023, we should rocket to TP1. Okay. And this is why I love doing things live, so you guys can see what it's like. Which should help you, because I know in my come up I used to question a lot of things, like even when I'm in the trade, am I in the right trade? Is this going to do that? Is this going to do that? You know, there's a lot of questions when you're alone. But with like-minded individuals doing the same thing, I think you're much more comfortable then, right? See, this is pretty much, even though we haven't done that major push yet, I'm just happy to see this, which is showing me that there is liquidity at this point, which is showing me that there's starting to be, there is a rejection area there, which is nice, because now I've got that support. At this point, we should just start to drive. This drives and then comes all the way back down. I wouldn't want to be in the position. So when it starts breaking these highs, I will then move my stop loss from 30 pips to the close off. I think that's about 25 pips. So on that overall position, I save myself 5 pips already. And that's how I can manage at that point. I can't manage yet, but I can manage then. Okay, this is what I like to see. Showing me there is some sort of rejection going on here. That is very nice to see. That is obviously resistance, so we don't want it to tap there and flip bearish. That's another thing. Because there is a micro, well, not really micro anymore. Yeah, it's not micro anymore. This is a solid resistance right here. Not so micro no more. Okay, so we need to get above there. However, all in all, I won't exit the position yet. Still, there's nothing telling me it's gonna sell off yet, and that's why I'm so chill. Well, regardless, even if it was telling me, I wouldn't be. I think I'm just always chilled in the trades. Guys, today we're not gonna do a wordle. It is quite late, so whatever the outcome, we'll leave the wordle. Unless you guys really want to do it, then we can. Darren, are you sorted yet? Is your thing sorted yet? No, you're not on Zoom, which means you're not here, which means you're still struggling